Why is Trump targeting Brazil? And will it backfire for Bolsonaro? So I tell you the answer in this video. A message from US President Donald Trump on Wednesday landed like a grenade in Brazil, bringing the relationship between the two countries to an all-time low. Trump pledged to impose tariffs on Brazil at a rate as high as 50%. He accused the country of attacks on US tech companies and of conducting a witch hunt against the far right former President Bolsonaro, a long standing ally who is facing prosecution over his alleged role in a plot to overturn the 2022 Brazilian election. The move follows a fresh round of political sparring between Trump and the current Brazilian president Lula da Silva. It further strained a relationship that was already tense. Trump had earlier threatened members of the BRICS group, of which Brazil is a part, with tariffs, accusing those countries of anti American positions. The bloc includes India, Russia, and China, and has grown to include Iran. It was designed to counterbalance US influence in the world. Lula da Silva replied to Trump's tariff threat in a post on X, writing that Brazil is a sovereign nation with independent institutions and will not accept any form of tutelage. Trump has unleashed a wide ranging program of tariffs or import taxes since he returned to office in January. He argues that these will boost US manufacturing and project jobs, though he has also used them to pursue political ends.